School is so boring. I really just don't want to do any of this. This is so boring. Maybe. What's this? Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Give me 10 seconds to. Alright, it's spooky month. And what better way to celebrate spooky month than spooky movies or films? Yeah, sure, okay. So this is on Hulu, and it's a little thing called bite-sized, like Halloween, and it's like little short films about like scary things. And I was like, guess I'll watch it with everybody. I don't really see why not. So yeah. So this one is called Visible. I'm just saying right now, if they say any bad words, they're probably gonna. Yeah.
Hello?
I don't think that's physics. No. 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 Exactly.
Did you see that?
Yeah, I saw that.
What?
Hello? I'm out of here. Yeah, let's go.
Wait, who are you? What?
Naomi?
What? What? So, was she like a ghost? And like the kids were playing basketball? And she couldn't see them, and they couldn't see her. Okay, yeah, let's just go right to the next one.
New email from me. N.A. Ancestry Labs.
Find out what makes you special. I don't think packages get delivered.
Time to prove I am special.
Wait, what? Spit into funnel until the amount of liquid saliva bubbles reached. What? Hold the upright, make loud click. What? Yeah. You just gonna look at him? You're just like, oh hey, bud. I'm sorry to all of you that are like trying to eat or drink something and just are watching this. No, they're gonna like steal your DNA. Do you really have nothing else to do?
New email
Like,
from
you're in an office.
me. N.A. Ancestry Labs.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Do you have those spreadsheets? I hear you clicking away over here.
Do you
Just
have
a few
the
more minutes.
spreadsheets? I hear you clicking away over there. Who? You've been extracting your DNA. Yeah, like what? What's that called? No. This is just weird. No match. DNA. Find out what makes you special.
Your DNA test yielded spectacular results. Time to go.
Wait, what's going on?
Hey, wait, no, please, no.
Dude, fencing? Why do they have those suits? That's fencing gear. Whatever that sword thing. Sparring, I don't know.
Subject 374H. Let's move him to group test holding.
They're going to be a very special addition to our research.
What? It's just like kidnapping people. Alright. Dude, these are just mildly unsettling. What's this one?
Mama, I don't want to do this.
Hush, girl. God knows you need saving.
Yeah. Do it.
Don't you think Pastor's breath stinks, though?
Yo, he's gonna be mad. He's gonna be like, what did you say? God's like,
I now baptize you, Kyle Benoit, in the name of the Father, the Son, and of the Holy Ghost.
What just happened here? What? Put like food coloring on? What? So bad. You okay? Where'd the pastor go? Where'd everybody else? What? Nothing's happening. Your eyes just look weird. Is she like... Is she good or bad?
I've been waiting for you.
The power of Jesus compels you. Dude, this makes no sense. Okay, I guess last one. These are actually pretty good. I don't know, maybe I'll watch more. But spooky month, spooky stuff happens. Devil Vac. I swear, if it's about a vacuum. I'm gonna be so dumb. So dumb, so done.
A Robovac. Did your mother send this?
Wasn't it on the registry?
No.
Yeah, I'm gonna clean that. I'm gonna clean that too. I'm gonna pow pow. I'm a superpower. It's a transformer. It's transforming. Autobots roll out. I see you. Oh, it's gonna be
A Robovac just followed me.
It's mapping the space.
Why'd she scream? Nothing happened.
A Robovac just followed me.
It's mapping the space. You gotta let it map the space.
Should I be like freaking out?
It hasn't stopped.
It's mapping the space.
Dude, it's not. Oh, it's not. Is it watching TV? Buddy. You see how he slid? He was like, you know he slid. He just like, no, anything. Do a boop boo. Alright, I think that's a good place to call it quits. So if you guys enjoyed that, be sure to leave a like and it was a vacuum cleaner. If you like that, leave a like and subscribe. I can't get over it was a vacuum cleaner. See you next time.